Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today I am going to tell about the important topics according to the reduced syllabus of Federal Board examinations. These topics are very important according to the smart syllabus and according to the exam point of view. Now start from the chapter first. Chapter first, name the programming technique, and the first topic, problem solving steps. You have to memorize to learn its definitions and a relevant example from the textbook, defining the problem, analyzing the problem, and planning the solution with relevant example. You have to learn its 5 steps, the name of the steps, and the definition and its relevant examples. And then come to the most important part of the chapter first, algorithm and flowcharts. There are the 7 problems. Their flowcharts and algorithm are important according to the board point of view. Now I read first problem number 1. To find acceleration of a moving object, it is the formula. इसका formula है and you have to write the algorithm and draw its flowchart. Second problem, to find area of a triangle when the lengths of height and base are given. Again, you have to write its algorithm and you have to draw its flowchart. This is second important question of the flowchart. Third is to read marks and print letter grade of students. मार्क्स को रीड करना और उसके अप्रोप्रिएट लेटर ग्रेड प्रिंट कर देना. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ मार्क्स इज ग्रेटर देन 70 then the letter grades A1 or excellent. If marks is greater than 60, letter grade B and very good. Similarly, you have to write its algorithm and draw its flowchart according to the computer sciences textbook. Fourth, to print a multiplicative table of a given number. This is very important. To print the multiplicative, you have to write its algorithm and draw its flowcharts. और आगे चैप्टर्स में इसके प्रोग्राम भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. These programs are also very important according to the exam point of view. Question number 5. To convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion, you must write its algorithm and draw its flowchart. Question number 6. To find factorial of a given number. And question number 7. You have to input marks and print the message pass or fail if marks is greater than 33. यानी आपने एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम लिखना है, उसका एल्गोरिथम लिखना है कि यूजर मार्क्स एंटर करेगा. इफ मार्क्स इज ग्रेटर देन 33 देन मैसेज विल डिस्प्ले पास और अदरवाइज मैसेज विल डिस्प्ले फेल. These 7 are the important programs, important algorithm and flowchart in chapter first. Now come to the chapter second and third. These 7 topics and question are important according to the board point of view. First question, definition of computer program. Computer program की definition क्या है? Definition of low level language, high level language and with relevant example. Similarly, question number 2, what is IDE, integrated development environment, and also define its 5 components and difference between compiler and interpreter. And question number 3 is definition of reservoirs, header files, preprocessor directives with example. हेडर फाइल्स की डेफिनेशन, प्रीप्रोसेसर डायरेक्टिव्स की और इनके रेलेवेंट एग्जांपल्स की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, डाटा टाइप्स. व्हाट आर द डाटा टाइप्स यूज्ड इन सी लैंग्वेज? कैरेक्टर डाटा टाइप, फ्लोट डाटा टाइप, इंटीजर डाटा टाइप. डेफिनेशन ऑफ दीज डाटा टाइप विद रेलेवेंट एग्जांपल. Similarly, what is difference between variable and constants? Also, you have to learn the definition of variable and its type, numeric variables, string variables. Similarly, constants, numeric constant and string constants and with the relevant example. Question number 5, operators, definition of operators and its types with relevant examples. There are 5 types given in the textbook: arithmetical operator, relational operator, functional operator, logical operator, and the last ternary operator. You have to memorize, learn its definitions and its relevant example and write its relevant example according to the textbook. Question number 6, write a program that reads 3 numbers and print their sum, product and average. You have write a program in C++ that in dev C language that read 3 numbers and print their sum, product and average. Question number 7, it is the most important program of these two chapters. इन दो चैप्टर में सबसे ज़्यादा important program है. Write a program that reads temperature in Celsius and convert into Fahrenheit and print on the screen. You have to write the program that reads the temperature in centigrade scale, कि वो centigrade scale में temperature read करेगा और उसको convert करेगा Fahrenheit में, और जो उसकी output है वो screen के ऊपर print कर देगा. Okay. Now student come to the chapter 4, conditional control structures. These 7 programs are very important according to the board point of view. Question number first, write a program that reads a number and tell whether it is an even number or odd numbers. कि प्रोग्राम यूजर से डाटा लेगा और बताएगा, नंबर लेगा कि इवन है या ऑड है. Second, write a program that reads marks of a student and print his letter grade. कि स्टूडेंट से मार्क्स रीड करेगा. मार्क्स 80 and 100 के दरम्यान है तो इट विल प्रिंट ए ग्रेड. इफ मार्क्स फ्रॉम 70 to 79 इट विल प्रिंट बी ग्रेड. इफ मार्क्स फ्रॉम 60 to 69 it will print C grade, and if marks 50 to 59 it will print D grade. This second question is also important. And question number 3, write difference between switch and else statement. What is the definition of switch statements, and in which condition we use switch statement, and in which program we have to use else if or if else statement. Question number 4, write a program that reads grade of a student and print appropriate message. अब देखें, ऊपर वाले प्रोग्राम में मार्क्स ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट रीड हो रहा था और उसका लेटर ग्रेड प्रिंट हो रहा था. अब इस प्रोग्राम में रीड ग्रेड ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट, रीड ग्रेड ऑफ, अब दिस इज द इनपुट, ग्रेड ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट एंड प्रिंट appropriate message. Question number 5, write a program that reads two number and print larger number by using conditional operator. Conditional operator or ternary operators, it is also important for short question. Short question में ये अमूमन इस किस्म के क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं ternary operator. Question number 6, definition of nested selection. What is nested selection structures? इफ एल्स के अंदर एक और इफ एल्स स्टेटमेंट हम कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं और व्हाट इज उसकी रेलेवेंट एग्जांपल. एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 which is very important, and it is the last question of the lab activities. Write a program that reads basic pay of an employee and calculate net pay. उसमें क्योंकि लैब एक्टिविटीज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, उसमें ये फार्मूला गिवन है. You have to read the basic pay and you have calculate its net pay according to the given formula. These 7 programs are very important from the chapter 4th according to the board point of view. Okay. Now come to the chapter number 5, loop control structures, and these 7 programs are very important. Question number first, difference between for loop and while loop. You have to learn the difference between for loop and while loop. Similarly, you have to differentiate between do while and while loop. While loop और do while loop में क्या डिफरेंस है और for loop और while loop में क्या डिफरेंस है. Second question, to print sum of even and odd numbers from 1 to 100 by using for loop and by using while loop. आपको इवन नंबर प्रिंट करने या ऑड नंबर प्रिंट करने 1 से 100 तक बाय यूजिंग फॉर लूप कैसे प्रिंट होते हैं और सिमिलरली बाय यूजिंग व्हाइल लूप कैसे प्रिंट होते हैं. ये सारे प्रोग्राम्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्क्राइब्ड एंड डेमोन्स्ट्रेटेड एंड एक्सप्लेन ऑल दीज प्रोग्राम्स इन माय सी वीडियोस, सी ट्यूटोरियल वीडियोस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, टू प्रिंट मल्टीप्लिकेटिव टेबल ऑफ अ नंबर. टेबल प्रिंट करना है किसी भी नंबर का बाय यूजिंग फॉर लूप भी आपको आना चाहिए एंड बाय यूजिंग व्हाइल लूप भी यू मस्ट प्रैक्टिस इट. Similarly, question number 4, to print lowercase letters ABC up to Z and similarly uppercase letters from A B C up to Z by using for loop and by using while loop. Question number 5, to print factorial of a number. Factorial of a number by using both loop means by using for loop. How we can print the factorial by using for loop, and similarly how we can print the number by using while loop. These programs are very important for board point of view as well as for practical point of view. Question number 6, definition of nested loop. Nested loop की definition क्या है और उसके relevant example क्या, उसकी एक program की example you must practice it. And question number 7 which is the most important of chapter 5, और ये lab activities का ये question 7 है, ये lab activities में given है. A class of 20 students takes an examination in which marks range from 1 to 100. Write a program to print the number of students passed and failed, whereas passing marks is greater than 33. जो स्टूडेंट्स 20 स्टूडेंट्स के आपने मार्क्स इंटर करने हैं और हर एक के मार्क्स की जो रेंज 1 to 100 है, और प्रोग्राम आपको ये कैलकुलेट करके बताएगा कि द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट पास्ड एंड द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट फेल्स. So these 7 programs are important, and all these programs I have explained in my channel, in my YouTube videos. Okay. Now come to the chapter number 6, computer logics and logic gates. And these two topics are very important according to the board point of view. Question number first, definition of logic gates. Logic gates क्या हैं? And their truth table. और उनके truth table कौन से? इसमें AND logic gates, OR gates, NAND gate and NOR gates. कि इनका सिंबल क्या है, गेट का सिंबल, डेफिनेशन एंड देयर रेलेवेंट ट्रूथ टेबल्स. एंड सिमिलरली सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स इन दिस चैप्टर इज कन्वर्जन ऑफ बूलियन फंक्शन इनटू लॉजिक सर्किट. कि आपको एक फंक्शन गिवन होगा और आपने इन फंक्शंस को लॉजिक सर्किट में कन्वर्ट करने होंगे. दिस क्वेश्चन आर रेलेवेंट टू दी चैप्टर्स एंड दिस क्वेश्चन आर रेलेवेंट टू दी एंड चैप्टर एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दी चैप्टर नंबर 6. And dear students, I have already explained all these relevant questions, programming question and exercise in my tutorial videos that I have uploaded on YouTube channel. So you should see and watch these videos again and again according to your understanding, your capability to attempt the board paper to achieve the better marks in federal board exams. And any question, any query or any difficulty regarding this syllabus, you may ask through WhatsApp, Messenger and phone call. So I suggest you that you all must subscribe my channel to see these course related videos for exam point of view. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.